That's that, right? Oh my god, one shift life, yeah? I have to brunch. Subscribe, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god! I don't know, see, I will go forward on the corner and go stand big up a cruise man. I don't know, you have to big up a cruise man, and I realize that is it. Of course. You understand, same time I want to go to food, so I focus on forward and I want to go be all of those forward on the ILO. You understand, in a man to go be and come link up with G, show on what you have, right? All I food, some I post on all the media there, around and some come get them from, so nobody will pay.
Some fresh fruits from Cali every day.
That's a cool.
Fresh fruits, nice and fresh.
That's a cool. Oh my god, see that? Fresh lobster. See that?
Yeah, just come off the boat.
That is it. That is it. Just come off the boat. Yeah.
Don't have them a kicked up.
Big up.
Yeah.
And never stand sharp man get to what I everything.
Yeah, man.
Don't know.
Nah, too live one a kicked in.
That is it. Don't know. Sharp boss.
One of them are very nice.
See, sir. See that? Same time I want to good old fish, they want to come and seaside and ask the sharp man. I understand no joke about it. No joke about it. Right? Oh, Alright. Oh my god! Pleasant good morning, welcome back once again to Team Chef Life, you know what I'm saying, to the channel. Alright, so today we have a nice brunch at Shimmering Waters. Oh my god! Yeah, so we have a nice brunch today. Yeah, we're gonna be having cooked some lobster, we have some pancakes, some waffles, you know what I'm saying, we have a nice food platter as well. Alright, some scrambled eggs, you know what I'm saying. Oh my god, and we have a birthday cake as well. So it's a birthday brunch, alright? Birthday brunch at Shimmering Waters, Chef Life JP. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, and do the right thing. Oh my god! Alright, so you're ready now, reach my location.
Artlist.io.
Brunch. Oh, and the lobster is over there, right? So yeah, all the items that we're gonna use on prepare brunch right now, okay? So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Oh my god. That is it. So now we're gonna wash the potato, some beef potato. So we're gonna wash the potato. Alright? Yes, so back the potato, get some water from the stove up on the bed. One paprika. We'll not open up complete. I really know. Please, like you said, so I was oh my god! So what is it here? Put that over there. I'm hot. So this is so unique. Oh my god, big up so unique. You understand? Cake delivery. Yeah man, big up yourself. See him, big man?
Don't squeeze it inside, you know, because you damage your cake if you do that.
Oh my god, you hear that? Alright. Oh my god. So alright, team chef like, you understand? Cake delivery one team, you understand? One team chef like, come on, let's show you. So unique. Oh my god, big up so unique. You understand? Yeah, that's my pastry, one of my pastry. You understand? Oh my god, that is so unique. Big up, that's a vanilla, so unique cake.
Did you ask for permission to take my work?
Oh my god.
Huh?
You know.
Did you ask for permission to take my work?
Oh my god. I just see the happy birthday and I'm like, oh my god, you know. Say hello, Miss Frank.